Hello friends, thank you for joining me. Today, I'll be showing you how to make tom brown. To make tom brown, you need maize. I'll be using yellow maize, sorghum, millet, rice, dates, tiger nuts, groundnut, and soybeans. I washed the sorghum, millet, dates, tiger nuts, the maize, and the groundnuts, and I sun-dried. And then I toasted when it was properly dried in a non-sticky pan while I prepped the rice and the soybeans for 20 minutes each. Then sun-dried also, and then I toasted when it was properly dried. So after toasting all the ingredients, I went ahead and blended them. After blending, as you can see, I sieved it for any available chaff to be out. So I'll be storing this cereal in an airtight container. You can actually store this cereal and make use of it up to 5 to 6 months depending on the quantity and how you preserve it. So to prepare the pap, you go ahead and add the quantity of the cereal into a bowl, and then you add some water, and then you mix into a watery consistency. And then in a pot, you add some water and allow it to come to a boil. And then when it's boiling, you go ahead and add the tom brown, and then you keep on stirring to avoid burning until it's properly cooked. Then you can go ahead and serve. I'll be using slim powdered milk for this cereal. This cereal is really delicious and is good for kids and adults. Children from 6 months can take this cereal. My baby of a year plus takes this cereal and she loves it. You can also use this cereal with porridge beans, moi moi, akara bread, or any food of your choice. This cereal can also use to add up weight in case you need to add up. So guys, thank you for joining me today and hope this video has been helpful to you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye and take care.